Buti dito ka. Usa.
Number 15. Back to third.
Steady, steady, Melo, steady. Tulong! Tulong!
Two points lang yung kay Betya?
Melo!
2 points lang yun kay Bet? 2 points lang nakalagay, oh.
Ball!
Sapa!
Kapapit!
Yes.
Good job, boy!
Yeah, Francis, 2 points lang yun? Stop po, 3 points yun, ah.
Ayaw mag-complain.
Okay. Tinano ko lang yung ano, yung score.
Wala, hindi tinawag mo.
Yay! Ayan, 3 points nga.
Karel, let's win this one.
Ay, hindi. Yawa.
No big, no big, no big, no big, no big. Leave it! Hey, leave it!
Wala!
Run, 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 run!
Wala! Wala!
Mark, guys, Mark! Guys, attack Mark! Mark!
Yawa!
We're allowed to make mistakes!
Yay!
Get back! Come on! If you make a mistake, get back!
Gi! Yeah! Hello!
Hey, hey, hey!
Wala
keep
naman
your
ako.
hands
Ano
up.
eh. Yawa!
Effort!
5 seconds.
Back! Back!
Ah! Yes!
Hey! Work! Work! Bay, side mo yan, Bay! Side mo yan, Bay! Ben! Help! Help! Hey! Jack! 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 Iwan! Wow! Nice one! Good try! Jack!
Let's go, coach!
You don't need to bite how hard, just a light contest, yeah. Light contest. No need to jump on it.
Yes!
Communicate, bitch. Communicate.
Fifty-seven seconds.
Isa pa! Isa pa!
Oh, nice, nice, nice.
Yay!
Bet, Iwan, bet. Iwan.
57 seconds.
Bet, baba, bet. Nice, nice. Beautiful.
Five rebounds for the number.
I-shade mo lang siya papunta kay Ja. Tutulong sa'yo si Ja.
Bell.
Discipline, discipline.
Next up, the number.
Yes, Ja. Ilan na ho yun?
2, let's go!
Pero, stop. Pero,
Woo! Penalty! Galit na, oh. Galit na. Isa pa! Isa pa! Woo! Yay!
Gulang lang, gulang. It's alright. Hey, we'll get that back. That's gonna happen when our guards come up. That's gonna happen.
Yes! Let's go!
Come, post, come, post. Dead.
Ay! La! Wow! Ang grabe! Nakuhanan ko yan.
Trabaho lang. Let's just work it, ja. Go straight down, ja. Yeah, go straight down. Hang at the free throw. Ja. Free throw. Tulong ilalim. Nice one. Hang there at the free throw, Ja. Don't go all the way down. Good work, guards. Good work, guards. Bravo! Hey, free throw! Ilalim na, Carmelo! Ilalim!
3 points!
Bravo!
Galing!
Good shit! Good shit! Hey, Karel, now take the time to set! Set! Hey, big man, look for post! Look for post on this side! On this side, Melo! Get up, boys!
Isa pa!
Post, post, wait, set! Set, post now! Get up, boys!
Isa pa!
Trabaho! Konti na lang! 3 minutes!
Ano nangyari?
Yeah, if you want to help out, send your wing to the base.
First personal foul, number 34, first team foul.
Set!
Ah! Yawa!
Mid-ace! Ay, import lang yun. Hey, set, ja.
Go! Isa pa! Ah! Yes!
Set.
Ay, shit!
Guys,
Siyete.
Pinasakay number 1.
Pangko? Pangko? Wala naman.
May time out pa rin. Time out. Number 0, sinabi namin na 24.
Ano ba yan? Ow! Liapo!
No.
Wala ka!
guys,
Yay!
hey, take your time to swing the ball. Hey, move lang, ha? Take your time to swing it. Swing it pa. Nice, swing pa.
Shit!
Nice try.
Number 27.
Hey, just like that.
Sapa! Ah! Sapa yan!
Next up, Ref, thank you.
That's fine.
Yay! 22.
Number 9. First personal foul number 29, second team foul of the ODC. Next up, sorry, my bad. One point five seconds for Irish.
Penalty yan, penalty.
Penalty. 1 seconds foul, first quarter for the China Builders. Number 99. You have 15 seconds to shoot. 10. 5 seconds to shoot. Oh!
53.
And that's it for our first quarter, 11-14 in favor of FDC.
Aray! Oh! Grabe.
Tabak, ganyan mo! Fifteen seconds shot clock. 10.
Nakataas lang. Oh, huwag na magreklamo, okay lang.
Let's go guys, second quarter. First personal foul, attempted switch, first personal. Second quarter.
Guys, Relo, last shot yan ha. 20 seconds. 20 seconds.
Number 17 to number 99. Oh, next
Last
up.
shot! Last shot!
Number 19.
Woo! Sama! Sama! Woo!
Let's go guys. Second personal foul, number 13, penalty. Number 17, to zero.
Yes!
10 seconds to shoot. 7.
Last shot, man!
Last shot!
Yeah!
Every possession! Light contest, Nico! Light contest, Nico! Light lang!
Ano po?
Usap! Usap!
May isa pa
Usap!
siyang laro. Tapos na.
May isa pa siyang laro after this.
Oy, wala!
Ay, sa ano po? Sa,
Dyan!
sa Langford lang din po. Tapos na. Diretso dito ba?
Mark, wag na Mark ha! Trust natin yung may assist natin.
Hindi ko lang po sure. Hindi ko po siya eh.
Oh, work! Oi! They're gonna play 2-3! They're playing 2-3! Oi! Work mo lang yung zone muna! Gap filler kami. Gap filler. Pag-cut mo fast, pag-cut. Pag may nakita kang empty space, doon ka sa empty space. Empty. Ay! Good recognition.
With deeper line, the ring.
Wag pilit!
Nabisa, mami ko! Tripan!
Yan! Straight line!
Go!
Hey, Nick! Way to do it! Way to go! Good job! Good talk, yeah! Good talk, yeah!
With deeper
Kulong!
Next second. Oh!
Discipline!
With the ball.
Nice, boys!
21! Ay, sorry.
Hey, disiplinado lang tayo dyan! Disiplinado lang! Ilalim! Usap, Nick! Usap!
15 seconds to clock.
Nice! Good defense! Good defense! Hey! Effort yun! Light! Good defense! Stay!
Ganda.
Yawa.
Alright. Last 2 seconds.
Hey! Good effort, pero mabe-breakdown tayo ng ganun! Swing! Set! All the way down! Set!
Wow!
Stop.
Sab.
Party number 8. 15.
Too dangerous! Hey, offensive!
Woo! Ano ginawa niya?
7 personal foul.
Nagsilip.
Disiplina lang! Alam mo yung laro nila! Yung pinag-usapan, Ben!
15 seconds to clock.
Baba, Mix! Baba! Yan! Effort lang! Baba na kayo! Mix! Baba na! Oy! Dito lang! Baba, Mix! Baba, Mix! Overhelp! Baba!
Dito! Bakit kami ginawa ni Mark?
Sobre.
Yeah, Mark!
Warning for penalty at first personal foul number 14 seconds on foul ID. Fifteen seconds on clock.
Yes, sir!
Ito ang line.
Baba!
Ano ginawa ni John?
Doggy
Number 16, second personal foul on the floor, third team foul on the Number 3, number 4. And number 7, and 15 seconds to go.
Isa pa! Woo!
Communicate!
Final clear.
Baba! Baba!
Sobra.
Ah! Ah!
15 seconds to go. 10.
Ball!
Dapat! Woo! Isa pa! Kayo ah. Ah! Wow! Di pa na shoot.
That's alright, bro. That's alright.
Nagsobra sa kapatid. Wala lang sa mga
Nakajaman. One. Pass. Bet. Nakajaman.
Yan.
Ako, wala pa rin. Nagsasayo lang natin dito.
You got two excited, bro. Not bad.
Sobra.
Ano nangyari?
Bola.
Yawa!
Wala lang kanina. Pinalo. Nagsobra. Pagpatulat dito sa
Woo! 40 na. 40 na.
Hey,
Ha?
coming!
Nagsobra.
Dumulas. Nadulas.
Number 3. Oh, ito na.
What happened, daw? You crying again.
Ito ay laro lang.
Sorry na.
40 foul, 1% po ng line.
Wala po kayo na rin eh. Wala yun.
Alright. Penalty yan. Yup, penalty yan. Ito.
Malaki!
Baba!
Baba!
Nagsobra.
Pre, amo ko tirahin mo!
Second set na umaga naman 10 seconds shot clock.
Pre, kaya! Ay, Bob!
Yawa!
Nice pass!
Woo! E4.
Brother, no? Ay, ito to, boss. Spot ko lang.
Pakilagay sa tayo ng bola. 6 seconds shot clock. Number 6. 10. 5 seconds. Si Bella.
Wala.
Third personal foul for number 0.
Bilis! Ay, sub pa. Sabay.
Baba lang. Number 30. Number 30.
Log yun na shoot.
Nine seconds to shoot.
Ano nangyari? Tayo pala yung foul, nagsisigaw ako. Last shot! Timer! Last shot! Shoot pa! Shoot! Shoot pa! Yawa! Laban! Wala! Go! Oh, sayang! Nadulas! Madulas ang floor! Nadulas siya, diba? Nadulas siya. Na-bowl pa si Kuya Francis, ikaw na nadulas. Hindi ko na nagtama. Hindi makikita yun sa video. Let's go, let's go! 10 na.
Para sa akin!
Mau dapat! Sapa! Guys, score! Don't rush! Support shit! Ba't di pumapasok?
Number 31. Third personal foul, number
Yan yung score.
Third
Score, oh!
Last shot, around 34, right?
Shit, nakabukutan, 40. Grabe yung shot.
Dali, tagangan! Ang dating round ng isang personal foul,
Attention all takers. It is a friendly reminder that the facility will take in 45 minutes.
Apat na lang, pak.
Wala pa kinis naman, laro naman. Yun ang 10 seconds to shoot.
Time out, time out. Time out, time out.
Time out. Time out. Apat na lang ang lamang. Joke lang.
The heck?
Number 16.
Ay, ang baby! Hindi ko alam. Wow! Sige! Wala! Shot! Nahabol? Ano nangyari? Foul? Buti naman. Kanina pa yung number 10 na yan eh.
Second personal foul, number 10, first team foul.
Yan!
Third personal foul, number 16. And
Shoot mo. Ay, isa pa!
number 17, pass to number 2.
Yes. Ano to? Bakit naalis?
Double foul. Number 3, Green Girls. Bola, pass to number 4.
Galing mo talaga, Papi!
18 seconds on the clock, clock timer.
Grabe! Grabe!
Next up, let's
Papawisan ako ah! Bulog na mo ito! Sinadobong niya!
go. 10 personal foul for number 00. 4 personal foul for 00. Next up,
Numero kay number 25.
10 seconds, set up. Go on!
Sino yon?
Stop run.
Reserve. Mainit na.
10 personal foul number 12, 13 foul, everything. Meron pa. Run. Hindi kami nangyayon. Number 17. Okay. Number 16. Sabi na ng bala. Bilasan number 6. Walang solo.
Kalma, kalma. Shit, malayo. Uy, buti natawagan yun. Natawagan ba yun?
Number 21. Easy point for number 21. Move on. Third personal foul number 29, 17 foul by her. It's number 10 again.
Isa pa!
Third personal foul.
Grabe naman. Sino yun? Asa na siya? Asan siya? Sino yun? Si 29 ba yun?
Another 2 points.
Puta, 9 na. Shot.
Fifteen seconds to clock.
Yes! Tinawagan ba yun? Ano nangyari?
Stop run. One for penalty FCC. Go on!
Yay!
Stop run.
Ano nangyari?
First personal foul number 11, one for penalty LBC. Next up run.
Bakit siya na foul?
Stop. Pasok ulit. Other foul.
Score goal!
Number 0. Number 0.
Ganda yan.
Good point to number 19. Number 12, John. John again is the ball. Wala mapasahan.
Guys, you shot! Ay! Po!
Number 27.
Naku po!
Number 28. Carla.
Carmelo! Balita mo si Kay Francis!
Francis number 0.
Ayaw niya mag-sub!
Come on!
Carmelo! Carmelo! Ayaw mo mag-sub? Isa pa!
Another defense!
Woo!
Timeout at 57 seconds.
Hola! Isa pa! Wala kayo! Ah! Shit. Kalma lang. Kalma ka lang. Galing mo!
Last 11, the defense!
Yay! Ako'y mga paakin dito. 2 minutes. Nang matigil na yung pawis na to. Yawa. Ginawa niya? Mamaya mo na ibulsa yan! Tawagan yun?
Number 17, pass to number 28, that's a 3-point. Grabe, napapawala ng dress, number 7. Number 16, pinasa ng sala. Number 0, hindi na siya sa dress. Number 2, ibang number 2. Ako.
Ay, ako. Hala, hala, hala! Sige! Nagkabundok!
Sige, no? Grabe. Second. Third personal foul, number 10. 13 foul by 6. Sobrang top. Pero po, LDT penalty. Seven seconds. Number 1.
Ano score? Tama ba yan?
5 seconds to break. 3. 57 seconds.
Hold up!
Number 17.
Galing na, no? Kanina pa yan si 3 points.
Tablet. Tablet top. Penalty left.
Ay, shit! Hi, buhay. Sino yun? Si 10? Si 11? Si 15? Kuya Francis. Ito si Kuya Rad. Shit, dalawa na lang. Tatay. Namatay. Ah!
Hey, go Rush!
Shot.
Third personal foul to number 28. And penalty, I was voting for the penalty.
No.
Third personal foul to number 28. Go on, Drew!
Hey, box up!
Hoy, May!
Next shot, Drew.
Yeah! Woo! Kalma lang.
Stop, Drew.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
10 seconds.
Ah, wala nang oras.
Hey, last shot! Hey, anywhere!
Number 17.
Hey, anywhere! Pick up man! Pick up man!
Laro lang ha. 11 seconds to shoot. 11.
Walang tawag! Yawa! Yeah!
5 seconds.
Last 10 minutes, come on! Hala! Okay, 3, 1, 2, 3, win!
One personal foul to number 3, De La Rosa. Penalty.
Sobra simple lang play nila.
Go dog.
Hey, strong! Hey, look up! Who you got? Let's go!
Ah! Yawa!
Number 3, has the ball.
Hey, help up! Passing!
Sino ba kasi nagpipito na yan?
Penalty.
Naguguluhan na.
Number spot!
Deserve! Taga-bundok na to eh. Hindi nakapay.
Bet! Ikaw muna!
Number 11, first team foul, benches. Second.
Ah! Traveling!
Number 17, back to 8.
Dalaw lang kayo after! Basahan niyo maaga!
Be ready for ball.
Hey!
Pass away, number 31.
Pasa!
Ah!
Oh! Hey! Bet! Ampon ka! Pasa!
Stop there. Next foul.
Bet ha! Iklat!
15 seconds.
Lower!
10. Stop there.
Ko, sayan.
Pumunta ka sa free throw line. Ikaw
Number 1, passing number 13.
Bella, don't you dare. Yes. Bella, I got you. Bella, no, no, no.
Langsan, pagpadali.
Yay!
Ikaw yan.
Go, let's go, let's go!
Personal foul.
Nice pass, Mark! Mark! Nice!
No more.
At yung kaba ko, 7 minutes.
Discipline! Discipline! Discipline!
Ups, ups, ups! Ups, ups, ups! Ilan yan? Dalawa? Bella, come on, Bella. I need you. Don't you dare. Bella, ha? Masyado ka na.
Personal foul for number 4.
Let's mo.
Tuck in. Kuya, walang tuck in.
Move ka lang off board, ha? Off board, board!
Oh, oh, oh!
Kaya, Be! Kaya, Be! Kaya! Ayos! Ay, good running! Tulang! Tulang! Robin! Robin!
Oh, 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 oh! Ano yung bola?
Discipline! Know your matchup! Know your matchup!
Shit!
Get those! Hey, get those!
Let's go, darling! Shoot! Yan na naman sila. Yan na naman.
Early set, Marimon! Finish what for your first team!
Kalma lang.
Get it done! Walk, walk, Marimon! Tama yan! Yan, yan! Yan! Tama lang yan! Tama! Wow!
The food and gym will be closing in 15 minutes. Our class sauna facilities are now closed. Please make use of our tank rooms now before exiting through the front door. Thank you.
Ano ba yung score?
Number 17, third personal foul, number 13, third pick foul by Coach.
Ano mangyayari? Kalma ka lang!
Huwag mo ipilit! Magaling ka!
Bawain ng referee, ha?
Power! Push up! Push up!
Okay, shoot mo yan, Mark! Ah!
Strong! Strong! Steady! Discipline! Discipline!
Ala! Sakit! Sayang! Ah! Sino yan? Sino na foul? Hindi foul. Ano ang pagtaas niya? Sakit na ako na namunan na. Shit, 4 minutes. Let's go, guys! Bella! Go!
Pasahan! Galaw! Galaw! Move! Move dyan! Move! Move! Penalty!
Ikaw na naman! Sakit mo, ha?
Tulungan! Galaw!
Gas! At traveling yan? Sige!
Kuya Almon, agahan yan!
Ah, sana.
Tulong lang! Three right side! Lahat na sa taas! Sa baba!
Oo! Number 8! Number 8! Ah! Go! Go! Kaya mo! Kaya mo! Woo! Shit! Kabado na ako.
Oh, dalawa! Sukat! Sukat! Out! Out!
Tama-tama na lang ako. Shit!
Tulong! Tulong! Tulong!
Baba! Baba! Baba kayo! Baba kayo!
Jack! Jack! Come up! Jack! Come up!
Next up.
Pinakamahabang 3 minutes ng buhay ko. Ah! Ah! Galing mo talaga, Aidan! Shit! Kanina pa yan! Kanina pa yan! Sayang yung point! Nawala na yung superpower si Kuya Almon.
Baba! Mix! Baba! Baba!
Wala! Wala! Hawak! Hawak! Wala! Walang foul! Walang foul! Shot! Tumatik si Nico doon, ha? Kaya yan. Kalma ka lang! Kalma ka lang, BFF natin yan. Iinit ha? Uy, si BFF ko pala. One minute, chef. 2 minutes. Oh, 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 oh! Wala! Oh, 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 oh! Sino yan? Sino yan tumulaktan? Ah, wala mamaya, mamaya.
Dapat tinatakbo mo eh. Yun na eh.
Kaya mo yan, darling! Ano, naglalakad na siya! Kailan pa? Ah, galing! Ano, naglalakad na siya? Lamang pawis to. Na. Easy lang! Sabang! Shot! Shit, 1 minute. Oh, 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 oras ha? Vote please ha? One minute na lang. Shot, pag may shoot yan. Ah. Tatahimik na ako, baka... Ah! Si Rep yan, si Rep! Kalma lang, oras, oras ha? Shoot mo yan, dalawa! Bayan, may... Ano ba shoot niya yung lahat? Shoot mo yan lahat. Saka. Alis ka dyan.
Minsan, taas pa kayo ng 50.
Tagal pa.
Naka 10 points pa ka na.
Oh, hold lang, hold! Saban! Na! ayusin niyo. Oh! 3 points yan! 3 points yan! 3 points! 3 points yan! Yes! Ala, yatama mo! Hi! Penalty na to! Nico, i-shoot mo yan! Champion! Asan na siya? Siya pala yung binibidyohan dapat. Worth it ang pag-stop ng ano. Supa! Supa! Shot! Di pala kami naglaro. Di pala kami naglaro. Ano ba yan?